So can you spot the hidden math trap here? Most of you guys solve this by like this. First, you guys do this. 200 minus 100, that comes out to 100. You can divide by 2. So the answer comes out to be 50. But this is wrong. This is the wrong method to solve it. Because according to the order of operations, we use the PEMDAS rule, and this stands for P for parenthesis, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. We solve this from left to right. So this is the right. This is how we solve them. First, like this. So first we solve this, and the answer comes out to 50. So 200 minus 200 divided by 50. Oops, sorry, minus. It's minus. So the answer comes up to be 150. This is the right answer.